We'll guide you through how to install the Microsoft Store. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if we come to the bottom of my computer and go and search for Microsoft Store, as you can see, it's not appearing as I've just gone and uninstalled it just to go and show you how to reinstall it and install it. So all you need to do is go to the description of this video, and there we've gone and got a command line. It's going to go and look something like this. So you can go and highlight it, right click it and press copy. Then all you need to do is come to the bottom of your computer, click on search and type in PowerShell like so. Here it is. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. You'll go and get a Windows security pop-up, which you then need to go and agree to. Here is the line here, and all you need to do is right click with your mouse and it'll then go and paste this in. Then you can go and press enter like so, and just like that, it's going to go and install the store. So now if we come to the bottom of Windows and click on search, I can go and type in Microsoft Store and it's now appearing. I can go and open it up and go and start using it and downloading apps.